Meet the Arani LED panel family, an all-in-one commercial panel built for offices, retail, and institutional spaces. Every panel is color selectable and power selectable, set with a switch on the junction box. Choose 3500K, 4000K, or 5000K. All are dimmable 0 to 10 volt, and all are DLC premium listed. They run on a wide 120 to 347 volt input, so they fit almost any commercial circuit. The driver is fully detachable from the panel, which makes installation simple. You wire up the driver, then place the panel. Let's go through the family. The 1x2 and 2x2 panels delivers up to 4,550 lumens at 35 watts. The 2x4 panel delivers up to 6,500 lumens at 50 watts. Every size is also available in an emergency version. Same panel, with a battery that adds 90 minutes of runtime when the power goes out. Now for mounting. The simplest option is a suspended T-bar grid ceiling. The panel drops straight into the tile opening. For drywall, the recess kit sits inside a cut hole for a clean flush finish. For concrete or exposed ceilings, the surface mount kit sits the panel below the ceiling, and the suspension kit hangs the panel at the height you need. Every kit is available for all three sizes. Arani LED panels, one family, every ceiling.